Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Alhamdulillah Rabbi Alamin, Rahman Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdina sirata mustaqim, sirata labzin, An'amta alaihim, ghairi maghdubi alaihim waladali, Amin, 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 Amin. May Almighty Allah begin to bless our great President Muhammadu Buhari of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May Almighty Allah begin to bless President Donald Trump, the greatest president on planet Earth. Pato grimas to makwito tete kome, meaning in God we trust. Bismillah. May Almighty Allah continue to bless and protect our great President Muhammadu Buhari and the Vice Osinbajo. May Allah bless him. May Allah continue to bless him and bless his mother as well. May Almighty Allah begin to bless the president and bless his household. Melika toshkele de busuka laba boshkele de busika laba boshkele de busuko lobo shika laba boshkele busika. Eliba kutoshkele busika laba boshkele buskele de buskolo boshkele. This is the Almighty Quran. This is the Quran. This is the Quran. Lebi katoshkele de busika laba boshkele de busika laba boshkele de busika. I pray for my children that has got my blood, that is my true children. I pray that no man or woman can destroy any of my children. Anyone who tried to destroy my children, may Almighty Allah put fire on their head, down to their feet, and the fire will begin to burn them. Elika boshke de debusu kalaka boshke. May Allah begin to protect my children wherever they are. Eliba kutushkurubo. If any man and any woman does anything to destroy my children, unclean hands, Eliba kutushkurubo, may Almighty Allah destroy them before their time. Elika toshke de debusu kalaboshke. Eriba kutushkuruboshke rababoshke. May Almighty Allah begin to protect them. Elika boshkurubosi kalababoshke ruboski leboshkurubosi kalababoshke. Almighty Allah bless and protect our new governor, Governor Usaigie Ize Iyamu. I, Prophet Isa Melika Tushkurubuskuru. I, Professor Elvis the Preacher. I, Professor Usaumesu Kumbowa. Eliba Kutushkurubusi Kalaboshkiribusko. I, Mr. Nobody. Aleke de Boshkurubusi Kalababoshkiribusi Kalababoshkiribusiko. I fear Almighty Allah is so great. Eliba keteshkiribusu kalababoshkiribusikala. Eriba kalebushkurubusi kalababoshkiribusika. When you destroy a house, I tell you what, pick a sand particle in your hand and count. If you can count it, then you'll be able to count how many people you have destroyed. I tell you what, a house that is already erected, with a foundation, should not go down, should not be destroyed. The reason is, every sand particle you see today, they are all human beings. They are all human beings. Elibo kutoshkurobosi kalababoshkidebosika. When a child does anything to you, please call the child to order, either politically or retomialika, or that is religiously, or otherwise, but not to destroy a building. Elibo kutushkuru busi kala boshkere de busi kala boshko. Ezuko toshkere de boskoko. The Christomian said, destroy this temple, I will build it back in 3 days. He was talking about his body. Lako toshkuru busi kala baboshkere bosko. Elibo kutushkuru bosko boshkele de busu kala baboshko. This is parabolic. Ale kotoshko. Elibo shkuru bosko. When I make an appellations to the governor, to the former governor, I never had any feedback. Elibo kutushkulubusko, and that is why the Almighty Allah has changed to a new governor. To many of you who believe that the new governor has done something to a student, I tell you what, I'm going to look for that student. And Allah told me, pray for that student, is going to get a miracle. I don't want any destruction in Edo State any longer. Please, I want to appeal to the new governor that is coming. Usagi Izeyamu, please do not destroy any house. Elika Poshkolorubusi Kalaboshki, peace unto Almighty Allah. Mekitoshko Boshkolo Boshkele Boshko Boshkele Bosuko Boshkele Boske. Our former governor, a prolific, unanimous, and voracious, brilliant, Makiteskele de Bosco action man, Dr. S.O. Ogbamodia, when he demarcated a house to the road, he paid the builders, please go build your house in another place. Some of them built their houses and they were still having some money in their pocket. Melika toshkodo busi kalababushke de busuko. Even the ancestor pokers never allowed destructions of the building. Meliko toshkodo busi kalababushke. This is from the office of metaphysics. Metaphysics is an embracement to mystic. In mystic, you don't destroy a house. A house is a representative of a personality of a human being. Elika boshkolo boskolo boshkolo boshko. This is the wall in my house. They speak. Eliko toshkodo boskodo boskele de bosko. They speak to me. Ale boskodo boskodo bosko. They speak to me anytime I want to hear any news. Eliba kotoshkolo bosko boske. If I disobey whatever they told to me, maleke wado meshkele de bosko boske, then I will bear the cost. Elika boshko do busika la dushko do busika la babushke de busuko shika la babushke de busika la boshke. Eriba kotushko do boshke. May Almighty Allah begin to bless Oshomole. Elika boshke de busko. One should be proud that Edolite is rising to a higher position in the etomism and epitomism. May God begin to bless his household. Allah said, Kabaka, please continue to employ our citizens, and I beseech other business people to emulate Kabaka and some other people, Kapti Usas, and other people, Kapti Usa. Continue to employ people, continue to do your good works. Eliba kotoshkulurubosi kalababushke de bosi kalababushke. Elibo kotoshkulurubosi kalababushke leboshke leboshke. Alibo shkulurubosi kalababushke lebosuko lokotish kalababushke lebosuko tushka. Elibo kotoshko lulubosi kalababoshke lebosuko loboshi karababoshke leboshke lebosh. Elibo skoroboshi karababoshke leboshke 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 leboshke. Makando skolo boskede boskolo boskede boskala baboskede boskede boskede boskela kada boskede boskede. Elibas kada baboskede boskede. Mashkede de bosokoro boshekede bosikala baboskede. Mashkede boskoro boskede boskoro boskoro boskede bosikala baboskede boskede boskele baske boskede. Le boskoro boskele boskela baskede boskele ningaskun boskede boska. Pakit skoro. Elikata boskede boskede. Eli boskede boskede. I want to beseech every youth in Edo State, please desist away from every crime. I pray for the business people. Whatever you do, God will begin to bless it. Allah will begin to bless it for everyone. The former incumbent president, Abubakar, I want you to continue to respect President Muhammadu Buhari. 2020, Elika Boshkoro Bosi Karababoshkede Bosiki. Almighty Allah said He will make you the president of Nigeria. Elibo Kotoshkoro Bosika, you will be the president of Nigeria, Abubakar, please. Elibo Kotoshkoro Bosi Karababoshki. Elibo Shkoro Boshkede Bosko. 2023, I beg your pardon. After Muhammadu finished his tenure with a good admonition, he will hand over to you, President Abubakar. Please, I want you to give him respect. I will support you. I will support you with prayers. I will support you with metaphysics. Almighty Allah said, I should support you. You will be the next president of Nigeria, Abubakar. Lebuko toshkoro bosi karababoshke de bosi karababoshke. Eliboshkoro. Makandoshke de bosko. Boko Haram. Please, I want to beg you pardon. In the name of Almighty Allah, please do not go near my president, President Muhammadu Buhari. Please let there be peace in Nigeria. Please. I know your pains. Let Allah touch your mind. Please. I am Prophet Isa in a state of a gifted Christomia. I put on the garment. Please, you can surrender to the president. And please let there be peace in Nigeria between now and 3 years' time. Aliko Toshkoro Bosi Karababushke de Bosuko Ishka. Rebecca Toshkoro Bosi Karababushko. Ex-President Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, I will pay you a visit. And Almighty Allah said, He is going to helitomize you from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. Allah said He has heard your cry and you will be healed completely. Eluko pushke de busu karababoshke. Elubosh kudobosi karababoshke. Lakandoshke de busuka baboshke de busuko lukodoshke. There will be Christians and Muslims in peace concert in Nigeria. I'm coming to organize one. I did it before. Was supported by the Queen Elizabeth, supported by Oba Eridiawa, supported by the American human rights activists all over. Meka Tushke de Bosco. There I was awarded world passport. Aliko Bushke de Bosco, Ruboshko, Ruboshke de Bosco. There I was awarded the doctor degree of divinity, etc. Make de Bosco, Robosi, Kalaboshke. Elibo Kutushko, Ruboske de Bosco, Ruboshke, Lababoshke de Bosika. Ato Ezeribe, Maleke de Bosco, the Lord said, I will heal you. The Holy Spirit is coming for you. Maleke de Bosco, Almighty Allah said He will heal you. Makidu, Ekiba Kotoshko Lubosi Kalababoshki. Makando, from today I will start to pray for you. Maleke de Bosco, and I will visit you. Melika de Bosco, I sent somebody to you people before so that they can give me a call. Nobody went there. Maleke, they were just after money. Elibo kotoshkorobosi kalababoshki. Rakamba kotoshkorobosi kalababoshki. Rebosudu eliko toshkorobosika. I prophesied before. Maleke udoshki reboshki. In Metaphysics chapter 1, verse 1. Aminato. Cosanate, so that you can see the siphonism of democracy and sparkitocracy when you cosanate and minato to the president and the monarchy. And I said, TB Joshua, Chris Oyakhilome, Chris Okoti, and who was it again? Oyakhilome and David Oyedepo, all to cratermize and celebrate with President Muhammadu Buhari. But I can see there was a neglection, and that is why the Almighty Allah is not happy with the Christendom. Maleke to shkurubosi karababushku. Elibo shkurubosi karababushku. Makukumoyi was on the right track. Elibo shkurubosko boshkidebosko. The Redeem was on the right track. Elibo shkurubosko. These people show the spark of Christomia. Elika to shkurubosko. May God begin to guide them. Maliko tushkidebosuka. Eribo kutushku. Pato grimas to makuto tetekumi. Spark. Elika tushkidebosaka reboshkideboski. Why I did not make an appellations to some other people that their building were destroyed, that some of them destroyed some other building before their own was done. But Tony Kabaka, I have not heard he destroy a house. Elika Tushkurubusi Kalababoshki. I have not heard. I pick up a microphone and I make an appellation in the media meetings, but there was no response. Even when I sent some people to the governor, they did not go. I pick up to skele de bosuko boshke de boshke. Elibos koroboshi kalababoshko. Elibo, those people that had it, I don't know if they have sent the message back. But it was a petasio, it was a gadabio, it was a sadomios to see Elika Tushkede de Bosoko Boshki. Once again, I support her. Governor Osagie Ize Iyamun, but I want to pay Tony Kabaka the damage. Kabaka, go calculate how much for the erected building, and the new governor to give you the money. Elika poshke de busu kalaba boshke de busu kalaba boshke. Pato grimas to makuto tetekumi. I pray for all our business men and women again in Edo State. Please continue to employ our boys. Aliko to Skoroboskibo. Although I'm coming to set up my increasing Spark of Christ ministry and also my spiritual business stores, offices around Nigeria where I will employ our youth to work. So please, our business people, may God begin to promote you as you begin to employ all of them. I also pray for one of my brother who is doing a philanthropic good work in the United States of America, Gregory Imafidon. Eliba Kotoshkoroboskoroboshkeda. He is doing a great work, bringing our youth to the limelight to play a soccer, just like the Lakabias of Henry Ogboy, Humphrey Edobo, Sam Okbodu, Leotis Boateng, and Bratomokaro Tenten, and Modiado Agbontan, alias Kakaraka. And many of them like that. So he's bringing up Wole Odegbami, Kule Awesu, Osaro Obobaifo, Austin Egwaivoin, and many of them like that. He's bringing, our youth to come to the limelight of this nature. And today, you see, these people have mentioned the epitome of a soccer in the world at large. May God continue to bless this, my brother Gregory Imafidon. that lives in the United States of America. Mesha Kadesh Kurubosi Karababushko. I will continue to support him with my prayer, with my cousinity. Aliko Tushkiribusu Kalababushko. Alika Bushkiribusuko. I could remember my mother told me his own father, which is my brother, was the teacher of my mother, my queen mother. Eliko Bushkodo, that's Queen Rosalind. Ebush Karaba, the Rose of Shalom. Mommy, I love you forever. Eliba Kutushkuru Busi Karaba Bushko. Eliba Kutushku. Maleke de Bushkuru Bushi Karaba Bushko. My mother must appear in this video. Elika Bushkuru Busi Karabushko. Eliba Seke. This is my beautiful mother. This is my beautiful mother, Elika Boshke de Busikayara. Yadi Boshke de Busikayara Boshke. Eliba Kutushkuru Busikara Babushke de Busikala Babushke de Busikala Babushke de Busika. Spa!